The Ego 56-volt Power Plus lawnmower makes no compromise between power and convenience. An industry first, 56 volts of lithium-ion power deliver everything you need to get the job done, with a full recharge in 30 minutes or less. Effortlessly switch the battery between tools so you never have to stop what you're doing. A 20-inch cutting deck gives you maximum cut capacity to mow your lawn fast. One handle adjusts the entire deck, and a simple two-touch safety lever starts the mower every time, without pulling or priming. When the sun gets low, LED lights can illuminate your path until you finish. The mower is quiet enough that the neighbors won't hear it, so take care of your lawn whenever it's best for you. When the job is done, the handle collapses and the mower can be stored vertically, taking up the least amount of space in your garage. Finally, a mower that doesn't require yearly maintenance, winterizing, or being babied. Just put the battery in and go. The Ego 56-volt Power Plus mower, part of the Ego Power Plus system. Power beyond belief.
One company stands out for being at the leading edge of innovation. Introducing the BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 compact mower, powered by the 20-volt max interchangeable lithium-ion battery system. The 3-in-1 with its revolutionary deck design quickly and easily converts from a mower to a trimmer, featuring a power drive transmission for getting those trimming and edging jobs done fast. The complete solution for smaller lawns. BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 compact mower.
Finally, a powerful alternative to gas mowers. Introducing the Twin Force mower from Greenworks. 40 pounds lighter than the average gas-powered mower, with two powerful G-Max 40-volt lithium-ion batteries that keep this mower running for over an hour on a single charge. Twin cutting blades provide a smooth, even cut and superior mulching. The Twin Force mower, part of the innovative family of Greenworks tools.
With Greenworks, life gets easier.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.